Hi, it's the friend of Samsung Galaxy M33 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So just to do that, we should first open the settings application and then scroll down to the wallpaper and style section. Just to change the wallpaper, we should just click to browse my wallpapers, and here we can see our default wallpapers, the photos from our device gallery, the downloaded photos previously from the internet or taken on the camera application, and just the another just default wallpapers. And also we can use the Galaxy Temps. This is the online wallpaper, so you can download some wallpapers from the internet, but be sure that you are connected to internet, to Wi-Fi or another mobile data, so you can use here the free wallpapers, or you can also pay. For example, let's download it from one from these wallpapers. Click download. Okay, here we should sync in with the Samsung account or Google account, so I'll just set the regular wallpaper. For example, let's use this one. Select only the lock screen, tap to preview, click to done, and that's it. We can see that changes applied to our lock screen. So now let's just lock our device, and we can see that we just successfully changed it. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just we should hold for a while our home screen, and on the left down corner we will see the wallpaper and style section. Click on this section, and by the same way tap to browse my wallpapers, and for example let's use one from the downloaded photos on our device, or just from these wallpapers, click to done, select only lock screen here, tap to preview, to done on the right upper corner, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.